there's a good puppies. There's Matt. And Angie. Oh. Hopi, did you hear the babies and you came over to see what they were doing? Look at the tails. Yeah, hi Hopi. Hi, sweetie. How are you? Oh, look at you guys waddle fast. Well, come on, Gayla. Come on, Gayla. He was like, I'm not quite as brave yet, so a little bit more gonna wait before she dives in. But look at her. She's like, I want to play. Are you gonna come play? Are you gonna come play? Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, I'm sticking close to the couch. Try not to get down too low. You'll see all the dust bunnies under my couch. Hi, Hopi. Your loud noise makes it hard to talk or focus on the puppies. You silly girl. Hopi, you're in the way. You guys, are you going under Aunt Hopi? Are you going under Aunt Hopi? Here she comes. Here she comes. Just takes her a little bit longer to come out of her safe zone, but she came out. There she is. She's under Aunt Hopi. And that's Gayla. And there's Cameo. And there's Fuji. And there's Macintosh. Just wiggle waggling around. She says, I'm going to go back to my safe spot. I'm just going to chill. What a good girl.